Open the box. Remove the quick setup guide, which contains initial installation instructions for your Brother machine. Remove the package containing printed materials and the installation disc. Remove the power cord. Remove the telephone line cord. Remove the packing foam. Lift the machine out of the box. Remove the plastic bag and the tape. Open the front cover. Remove the packing material. Remove the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly. Place the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly on a clean, flat surface. Remove the orange packing material. Install the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly back into the machine. Close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. Thank you for choosing Brother.